Hey everyone, welcome to the very first Total Home Entertainment monthly newsletter vlog. Why a monthly newsletter? We get questions from a lot of our clients asking us if we have any promos, what's the latest and greatest in the home technology space, you know, what's the latest and greatest for home automation, speakers, projectors, TVs, all that stuff. So a monthly newsletter allows us to deliver that content to you, along with answering a lot of your questions. Every month we're going to deliver this newsletter to you. It's going to be packed full of educational tips and tricks that you can use with your existing equipment. You know, what's new coming down the pipe, you know, what's new in the home technology industry, how you can use your existing technology to its fullest potential, what's the latest trends. If there's any, you know, new software updates for Sonos, Savant, Elan, Lutron, Google. Yeah, we're going to be doing product reviews. So this month we're going to actually be featuring Savant Home Automation. We've got a number of promos that are currently running. We're going to be pumping these out monthly, so definitely follow along, like and subscribe to be notified when the next one comes out. See you in December.